We have checked into the Airbnb.
Yeah, that slingshot is way shorter than the other one.
It only looks way shorter.
It is way shorter. It's right there.
Really?
The other one's like twice it.
She's like, it's way shorter.
The other one's like double.
That one looks taller than the last one.
No, it don't.
You're not talking my ass.
Alright, Airbnb. Made our sausages and peppers for dinner. It's a little small room. All the girls are in here. We pushed beds together so all the girls are together.
I'm a Gryffindor plus a Slytherin.
Oh my god.
Jacob's on the couch, of course. But he gets his own little couch. His TV. And our little room. Alright, walking around. Hotel's like right there. Well, apartment in the hotel. And then we're walking around right next to the pirate show. It's right across the street. And a slingshot is like way over there. And we're gonna head over to Universal tomorrow. And pick up the tickets and stuff. Alright, everyone's trying to run to get in. Look, we have an escalator thingy that don't work. Oh, the butt cheeks hanging out the shorts. Yep, you will see a lot of that.
She looks like she plays ball.
It's a golf course. There's a giant monster. Monster eating.
Dad?
I don't know. Jeez, who's driving? She's like one wheeling it. It's a rabbit fish. Oh, it's a ride. It's a little like seat thing. So I was like, I knew it would be expensive. Oh, that's actually not too bad. Not for here.
It says voodoo.
Yep, that says voodoo too. Voodoo donuts. That says Aunt Annie's and voodoo. Oh, that's a donut shop. Yep.
Oh, look at the donut throne. That's Scarlett's throne right there.
The donut throne. The chair, the donut chair.
Donut throne. You
You're always wanting.
sitting in it?
You always want donuts.
Donut queen.
Look! Is that like
Yep, that is Universal. Dun, dun, dun.
There's also Minions, but the Minions is for like little kids. There's like
Dancing. Revenge of the Mummy. Revenge of the Mummy. Come on, let's go. Two bait. Two bait. Look, there's an arcade thing in here too.
I like these little small bees because if you're nice to them and
There
you
are no
like pick them up,
flowers.
they don't sting you.
They're little honeybees. Well, it looks like Transformers lands down that way. And we got Diagon Alley, Fast and Furious, E.T., Men in Black.
Are you gonna pick up a
We found Jaws. Dun dun. We're making our way to Diagon Alley.
make our way to the vehicle?
We have made it to Diagon Alley, kind of. We got some stuff. Harry Potter. We got the triple stack bus. Oh, we got Lila jumped into the telephone booth. Card shop. Diagon Alley. Dun dun. We have made it. The wizard. Here you go. Weasley's Wizard Weasley. The tricks and the quality gadgets and supplies. Pretty cool, huh? Oh yeah, it's the firebolt. It's a balancing. They have made it to the wand shop. All right, she is waving her wand to get the frog to... You don't want to drink? You said you're thirsty. I want to drink. Go on, drink from it if you're thirsty. I got Newt's wand. Let Lillian. It's interactive throughout the park, and you have to do these different shapes and different things. Well, different spells and and wave your wand different ways to do different interactive stuff throughout Diagon Alley and all the Harry Potter ones. Oh, we got the bank. All right, let's see if Lillian can make the feather float. Wingardium Leviosa. Gotta get it right. There it goes, Lily. Keep it up, keep it up. Woo! You're doing it. Oh, look, Lillian, look up. The dragon. We're in like the Slytherin area. Lillian's up there doing her wand movements. All right, Jay, can you reach this one? This one's like shrunken heads up there. You have to make that symbol. You have to get a little closer though. You have to make that symbol on there.
Can I try?
Yeah, you might be a little too short for this one. Oh, no, they're talking. Little symbol on the floor. Like, that's why they don't have a talking head. I'm like, oh, yeah, they do.
I like it. Yeah, man.
Lillian looks so exhaustedly tired. Oh my God, so stressful today. Haven't done anything but one ride and walked around waving her wand everywhere.
I have a wand.
Yeah, this is a sit down slow one.
I don't want to.
Lillian, you play with the buttons, play with the buttons, play with the buttons. Almost there. Meet the Simpsons. Jacob, she knows. Yeah, we're gonna keep going this way. Jacob, come on. What, the Scooby? Yes, the Born Identity, the stunt ones. Scooby-Dooby-Doo! One?
I thought a Death Eater was spiky.
It is, but that one's a skull. I don't know. Which one is that? Is that one an actual one, or is that just a wand? The skull.
That's a Death Eater.
That is a Death Eater, yeah, because she's got the spiky Death Eater one at the house. All right, we are here at the Minion one. Getting ready.
But be warned, danger lurks at every turn. Agnes, please, Dad is trying to be evil.
What are you doing?
I am trying.
This is the cutest puppy in the world.
Now, where was I? Margot!
What? There was a smudge.
I am evil clown. Fear my red nose. That's enough. Girls, would you please just let me do this?
Oh, we were just trying to keep things interesting.
Okay, just be still. Don't say any more words. These are my daughters. Say hello briefly.
Hello out there. What's up? Greetings from the television.
Anyway, let's begin. We're going to start with a written exam.
Look out.
The test should take no longer than 3 hours. You will see none of the part.
We're not doing a written exam, remember?
What was that?
Jacob and Lily want to go meet the Minion.
You guys can enter to take photos of your family if you would like to take photos.
Go on, hug him. You gonna hug him? Get your butt back there, Lillian.
Inside.
Oh yeah, Pharaoh on stilts. Oh. Go on, Lillian. Lillian, get up there. Lillian, Scarlett, you gonna go next to your brother? Is it gonna breathe farther this time? Yeah, it is. Ice cream place. Yep, push it. Let's see if we fall. We're in Men in Black now.
And when you get five, you have to do that.
No, I don't know.
Gateway to Atlantis, huh?
Yeah.
I can't be honest.
You ready, Lily? Volcano Bay, the water park. Tomato. You're never gonna do it, Jake. You're never gonna do it. You're never gonna do it. Yep. Follow Dad. So yep, that's what we seen. Lockers. We got early access with the military pass because it's considered an annual pass. This way. Restrooms, lockers. The Lazy River raft ride. Kids are now all over the place. Oh, we got the water slides over there too. Lillian has met the height requirement to go on almost all these rides. Actually, she has met the height requirement. You have to be over 48 inches. Oh yeah, the next slide. Little kids area pool. Oh, it's nice being in here 30 minutes earlier. You get all the free area. Oh, this must be the little kids area, I think. Let me see. Swim, diapers required. Huh, okay. The other end of the park. More lockers and towels and restrooms. On the food. Hawaiian pizza, shrimp, mac and cheese, and foot-long hot dogs. Oh yeah, there's a little pirate ship. The Krakatoa. Oh yeah. And the water coming off of the big volcano from the wind, getting splashed from here. Oh, here are the cabana things. The Kia Oroka Pittman family. So yes, I wonder how much these are cost to reserve. Oh, they get complimentary towels, a seating area. They can block in the shades and like close everything off. That'd be something we need to do with the family. Oh, I'm not going to ride that. My look, no carrying your raft up the stairs. It's conveyor belted up. And they got sand like at the beach area. Oh, we're in the, hey, where'd Lily go? Oh, there we go, there's Lily, Jacob.
Oh yeah!